royal fans across the country will be cooing over photos of Prince George, as he begins his first day at primary school. However, he wasn't the only royal entering reception, with Maud Windsor joining her distant cousin, at Thomas's school in Battersea. And not only will the eldest child of Lord Frederick Windsor be in the same school as the heir to the throne, the youngsters are thought to be sharing a classroom too. Maud, 4, was accompanied by her father to the gates of the school on Thursday morning for the first day of term. Frederick had made sure that his daughter was looking her smartest, in the school's navy and scarlet uniform. The parents of the 4-year-old had even fastened a red velvet ribbon into her curly red hair for the occasion. Maud is the eldest daughter of Lord Frederick and Lady Sophie of Windsor, who are also parents to 1-year-old Isabella. Frederick is the son of Prince and Princess Michael of Kent, with his father being cousin to the Queen. This makes Maud and George distant cousins, who will have plenty of time to bond as they enter the school year. Prince George was accompanied by his father the Duke of Cambridge to his first day, while his mother the Duchess of Cambridge remained bedbound due to her severe morning sickness. George shook hands with Helen Haslam, head of the lower school, before the third in line to the throne was shown to his new reception year classroom, where his father stayed for around 40 minutes. His proud mother Kate had hoped to be there, but was simply too poorly, as she is suffering from hyperemesis gravidarum, which can cause sufferers to vomit up to 50 times a day. The prince will be known as George Cambridge to his classmates, and while he is attending one of London's top schools, it is less formal than Wetherby Prep in Notting Hill, which was attended by his father and Uncle Harry. Along with his classmates, including Maud, he will spend the day getting to know teachers, adults and other children, as well as completing the important task of finding his classroom peg.